Hello, my name is Ankur.
Myself Komal, and this is a little angel. She was born on 4th February 2012 and we are glad to have her in our life.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Actually, we never thought that we can go for a normal delivery. We always suppose whichever doctor we earlier visit, all will say that okay, that she is not meant for normal delivery. She will go for C-section only. And we are really glad that we are here and we had a normal, perfect, natural birth. And now the angel is with us.
Hi. Yeah. For me, I can say that this is a wonderful experience. I've been here. We are with Healthy Mother. We have taken Lamin's classes to understand what the delivery is, what the pregnancy is, and that experience and that knowledge gave me immense strength to go for a natural birth. My labor went for around 42 hours and it was a long, painful labor. But the team, the staff, Jay Krishnan, Crystal and all helped me a lot, gave me a lot of moral support and made me convinced that I'm meant for a normal delivery, and I'm glad I'm with them. Nowadays, a lot of C-sections are happening. And people are not understanding what is the requirement and what is the need for a natural birth, which is very helpful for the mother as well as the child, and psychologically as well as medically, a woman should and she is capable of giving a natural birth. So I suggest all the women out there and the lovely ladies who are pregnant to please try to go for a natural birth and have a lot of healthy food and consult a care provider who can understand you, who can give you that knowledge and that kind of strength that you can go for a natural birth and try that. That is wonderful and that is a lifetime experience you can narrate to your child. Thank you.
And we are really glad that we have come to the right place. Actually, earlier we were with the other hospital, and then always we thought that okay, that's not going in the way what we wanted. We were striving for the natural birth, and we took the Lamas classes, and then we came to here to Healthy Mother, and the support and then the commitment and the care which we get from here, it's wonderful. And suppose that makes us believe and that we can go for it. So like it also like the doctors again doesn't just stop at suppose just giving you the medical attention, the moral support, the everything is provided. Because we have also come here, there's so much of the family pressure, because right now in India it's like the complete pregnancy is towards the medical bounded. So the moment you tell that okay, it is in some different mechanism, there's so much of the family pressure. So just coming out of the family pressure and suppose how to deal with it, a lot of suppose all kind of moral support we get here. And I would just say that it was just possible because since we were here.